Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. I am going to discuss some important question that is very helpful to you in your board examination. Okay, I've already given so many videos on circle. Now I am going to discuss some special question for board examination in circle. Okay, so look this video as a practicing video, as a revision video from circle. Okay, this video for class 10th and the topic is circle. Now, mathematics. Look, the tangent at any point of circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is the circle having center O. OA is the radius. Okay. So A is the point of circle. A is the point of circle. Tangent is drawn at a point of A. We have to prove that OA is perpendicular with tangent AB. And we have to prove here it is 90 degree. Okay. And if a circle is given, A is a point on circle is given and AB is a tangent. When A is joined with radius, AB joined with center as a radius, that this radius will be perpendicular on tangent. Okay, we have to prove this. Now, so in circle COR, I have taken one more point on OB that cut the circle at the point P. OP equal to OA because the radii of same circle. OP is less than OB. OP is less than OB because OP is a part of OB. That's why OP less than OB. Now OP less than OB and OP equal to OA. So OA less than OB. Okay, OA less than OB. So OA is shorter than any point on the tangent. If I take here C point, okay, if I take here C point, okay, and then OC is joined, then OC is greater than OA. So we can say OA is shortest with compared to any line that join any point on tangent through the center. So these lines are always greater than OA. OA is the shortest and we know that the shortest is the perpendicular. So here OA is shorter than OB or any other point, any other more point on tangent with the centers. So OA is the shortest, hence OA will be perpendicular and angle OAB will be 90 degree. Okay, it's a very simple theorem and it can come my dear. Now, second questions. Second question is also more important for your board examination. The question is based on tangent on circle. This question is there. This is the circle. This is the point and this is a tangent. This is second tangent. We have to prove that the length of PA equal to PB and so many more concepts. Okay, first we have to prove that question number 2 in circle COR, P is an external point, okay, PA and PB are tangents, okay. We have to prove that so many things. First, PA equal to PB. Second, angle APB and angle AOB 180 degree. APB and then APB and AOB, sum will be 180 degree. And one more thing, OP divides OP bisects angle APB and angle AOB. APB and angle AOB. Look at this. We have to construction join OP. Join OP. Join OP. OP. Join. Now look in triangle APO and BPO. Now proof it is in triangle APO and BPO. APO and BPO. Here it will be 90 degree. First point it is 90 degree, 90 degree. Second point it is radius, radius. Third point it is common distance. So, angle OAP equal to OBP equal to 90 degree. First point, that is a right angle. Second point it is OP equal to OP common. Common. And third point it is OA equal to OB, radii. Okay, radii of same circle. So triangle congruent. So triangle OAP congruent to triangle OBP. RHS. RHS. Hence we can say here is a part of proof. Okay, here it is a part of proof. Angle, and it first it is PA equal to PB, CP. Second it is angle APO equal to angle BPO. Okay, also CP. Third it is angle AOB equal to AOP equal to BOP. Another CP. Now, in this quadrilateral APBO, angle A and angle B 90, 90, 180 degree, then we can write here in quadrilateral AOBP, okay, angle OAP equal to OBP equal to 90 degree. So angle APB plus AOB will be 180 degree. Okay, AOP and BOP equal to 180 degree. Look at this, very simple. Look at this again. What is this? In this circle, O is a center, PA and PB are tangents. Okay, we have to prove PA equal to PB, angle APO equal to BPO, angle AOB equal to BOP, and the sum of this angle and this angle equal to 180 degree. Simple it is. Just you make this triangle congruent. First you make 90-90. Okay. Second you make OP is common, hypotenuse, and this is the radius. The right angle, hypotenuse, side. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. Both triangle congruent. So PA equal to PB, angle APO equal to angle BPO, angle AOP equal to angle BOP. Okay. Now, after that, we know that this is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. The 90, 90, 180. The other two angles sum also 180. Then the sum of all four angles in quadrilateral 360. So angle AOB and angle APB, the sum will be 180 degree. Clear? Thank you. The next questions. The next questions as a regard of this. Okay, that is smallest question. These are one circle, This is another circle. It is a concentric circle having the center O. Okay? It is A, B, C, D, and it is perpendicular. It is L. Okay? This is the common center. So this question third it is, in concentric circles, okay, with center O. AB is a chord, okay, that cut inner circle at C and D. We have to prove that AC equal to BD. Okay. As a construction, it is done. Draw OL perpendicular AB. Okay. Proof. In circle COR, if OL perpendicular AB, then AL equal to BL. AL equal to LB. Number one. If OL perpendicular CD, then CL equal to LD. Number two. Now, from equation 1, I will subtract equation 2. Equation 1 minus 2 if you do. AL minus CL equal to BL minus DL. Okay. So AL minus CL, it will be AC, and BL minus DL, it will be BD. So it is proof. I think so. You understand these three questions, and I hope you will practice. Thank you.